What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this video I want to solve trigonometric equation, which is 2 sine theta equals to negative root 3. And we need to solve it for theta when it is between 0 and 2 pi. So the first thing I want to isolate sine theta. Sine theta equals to negative root 3 over 2, and now we know sine pi over 3 is root 3, positive root 3 over 2, but here we have negative root 3 over 2. So in this case I need to use the cast rule, CAST, and we know sine functions are positive in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 2, from 0 to pi over 2 and from pi over 2 to pi. So it's positive in here and it is negative in these two quadrants, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. So since it's negative, it means that we have two answers, one of them in quadrant 3 and one answer in quadrant 4. So since sine pi over 3 is root 3 over 2, we have two answers like that. One answer in quadrant 3 is pi plus pi over 3 and pi plus pi over 3, and the other answer is going to be 2 pi minus pi over 3. So pi plus pi over 3 and 2 pi minus pi over 3, which will be 3 pi plus pi, 4 pi over 3, and here we have 6 pi minus pi divided by 3. So that will be 5 pi over 3. So we have two answers. One of them is 4 pi over 3. The other answer is 5 pi over 3. If you want to write it in terms of degrees, we have 180 plus 60, which will be 240. And 360 minus 60, that will be 300 degrees. So these are the two answers to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra help. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You have access to many other videos regarding math and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.